Step 1. Find your reference image. First, we need an image of the model we want. I open my browser, then I search lounge chair. I scroll and find a design that matches what I need. When I find the image, hover over it, left-click, click Save Image As, save it into your folder. That's it. Step 2. Upload image in Coohom. Now we go back to Coohom. Click on the camera tool, then click Upload. Select the image we just downloaded. Now, Coohom will analyze the image, and within seconds, it will show you the exact or very similar models from the public library. And just like that, problem solved.